back to our channel. It's me, Serenity.
It's me, Sienna.
Sorry we haven't been posting. We've been dealing with COVID-19 and social distancing.
And if you guys hadn't already guessed, we're going to be doing a
mukbang from Popeye.
So let's get started.
What I have is onion rings, biscuits, and chicken, and Coke on the side.
I have biscuits, fries, and chicken with also Coke on the side.
We love this. We haven't had it in a year. But can you believe that? And we always used to get Popeyes.
I have a question for you guys. How's like your homeschool now?
Yeah. We're doing great. We
do it like every morning.
Yeah, every morning we wake up. I do the work from upstairs in my room.
Mm-hmm.
Then when I'm done, I go downstairs, eat, and yeah. So you want onion rings?
Yep, I'm
But if you don't know, I don't like uncrispy onion rings. If something's not crispy enough, I don't like it. You can use now.
These fries are so good.
Take a sip. Oh gosh,
Biscuit.
I gulped it while I was already gulping something else. So when I just took a breath, I gulped it. So it literally, I almost choked. Fries are amazing. Basically everything on the plate is amazing.
Comment down below what's your favorite fast food.
Popeye, McDonald's, and then something else. KFC. Have it all over my. When I'm drinking, I have to have it a lot at one time.
I don't.
My mouth gets dry very easily.
Mine doesn't.
I did the small one first. So after this video, we're probably gonna go eat more, watch something, then go to our online schoolwork.
Yeah, because we didn't get to do it this morning.
Because randomly, my mom keeps telling me to wake me up. I keep closing my eyes back, and then come in my room here slapping me. Not really slapping, but tapping me to wake up. It's like, what do you want? I'm awake. She's like, well, wake up more.
Exactly.
And then
when I come back in the room, she's asleep again.
Then she finally told me to go into our group chat that we made with our mom. And she said, do you guys want to do ASMR mukbang? We're like, duh. We're like, yes, I'm hungry. And she's like, McDonald's, Wendy's, Popeye.
And we did Popeye at the same time.
We think alike when it comes to food. Bit my lip. Ow. Raise up your hand. Well, and comment down below what your favorite types of onion rings are from. Me, Popeyes, but the outside feels like the outside of the chicken.
Mine is like either Popeyes or Harvey's.
Yeah.
Comment down below if you had one food to eat while you're home, what would it be?
No, one type of fast food restaurant to eat, what would it be? Tell us in the comments down below. Me, Popeyes, or McDonald's, or KFC. I have a lot of decisions.
Yeah, so like you have almost all of them.
We did it almost. We had. Guys, after I just said that, my stomach felt better because I just burped 3 times in a row. I'll have a lot more.
I mean, all of them.
Number 1, I have a question.
What is your question?
If you have one food to eat,
You already said that.
in your life, I said fast food restaurant. In your life, what would it be? I really don't know.
Probably lasagna.
fried chicken, favorite food. Or even fries. But I do like cheesy stuff. A protein is still fries. So, yeah. Once I start drinking something, I can't stop drinking it. That's why I literally have it up to here. When it comes to food, Sienna eats more, but when it comes to drink, I drink more. Sorry for the background noise. That's just her parents and little sister eating.
If you guys can even hear it.
Yeah.
Like, you know when you find a piece of chicken that you want, but then you're so full that you can't eat it?
Yeah. Like you're really hungry, but you're stuffed.
And you think you can eat more, but your stomach and your mind is telling you that you can't eat anymore.
Take out the onion. Sometimes if it's not crispy enough, I take out the onion. Guys, I have a few onion rings, one biscuit, and chicken left.
With the school and stuff, like, more people are you guys happy? Or you guys like,
I'm happy because, like, I can actually talk to some of Sienna's friends on her meeting. Because, like, some of her friends were my friends, too.
Well, I'd rather be at school right now.
Yeah. I'd rather be at school.
Because that way, because one thing, it's only instructions, but you don't have a teacher actually telling you.
You guys can't see all this onion right here.
Why'd you take it out?
Because it's not crispy enough. Let's play How Well Do You Know Me? Me first. What was the first day I decided I wanted to be a gymnast?
Ever since you're 1.5 years old, she always used to be doing gymnastics.
Yep, about correct. I always do gymnastics when I was younger. I didn't have proper splits and handstands, but I would do like headstands and like some splits ever since I was 1.5. I was a crazy child. What do I mostly do in the meantime?
On your iPad, no, on your phone, or the TV, watching random shows, or watching gotchas, or doing gotchas on your phone.
You missed something. TikTok and dancing. But which one I do the most? Watching gotcha and doing TikTok dances. Because every time our parents would be like sleeping or downstairs in the basement, we would be having a blast. We had the music turned all the way, well not all the way up, but like to like 70 or 60 and having a blast. And we would be doing TikTok mashups. She's done. Let's hold this right here.
Oh,
Here.
I didn't see that.
Chicken. Guys, if you don't know me, I can't go to sleep without eating. Since I go to sleep late, like at 4, I know I should be going to sleep earlier, but every time I'm on my phone watching something, don't even pay attention to the time, and I would just stay there for 1 hour looking at the blank wall, still not asleep. I'll be telling her to like shush. She'll be like 1, 2, 3,
She'll make
4.
me miscount and have to go all over again.
And she got mad at me. So once our grandma was here, not here, but like at our old house, I got this doll. She kept calling it a duppy doll.
Yeah, our grandma kept calling the doll a duppy doll. Because it's the baby alive.
And I was only like 6 that time. Once we were sleeping, she put the baby alive by Sienna's bed with a knife in its hand.
And when I woke up, I literally jumped off the bed and I fell off the bed.
Then I saw it. I fell off the bed too. And then we heard grandma laughing, and we're like, why is she laughing?
Exactly, why was she laughing? It was grandma the whole entire time.
We kind of already knew, but like we weren't sure.
It had to be someone in the house who did it.
Cause like our door was always locked. It had 2 locks on it.
And the baby light is small, if you guys don't know. You guys dare me to try this Coke?
Oh.
What kind of bird? It was like. You guys dare me to try this? I dare myself. I dare myself.
What I would do is something for later. All I have is 1 onion ring and a biscuit.
Yeah, I'll leave for later in my stomach. I don't think you're meant to chug pop.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm just drinking fizz. Oh, my teeth feel weird. No, this is the teeth.
Feels weird.
I think the pop is like making it rough. So when you rub your teeth together, it has like a squeaking noise. I did it. For you guys.
But you didn't chug it.
I know I didn't chug it.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you subscribe, like turn the notification bell on
So you're notified anytime we post a new video just like this one. And comment down below with extra video ideas.
Stay safe, stay home.
And make sure you guys are always washing your hands and all those stuff before if you come from outside or inside or just daily. Or
Anyway, bye guys. See you guys next time.
bye.